Hi, plant lovers. Today, we're diving into the world of Feng Shui, houseplants, exploring the best plants that can create a harmonious and positive energy in your home. First up, we have the jade plant. This is a symbol of prosperity and good fortune, making it an ideal choice for your financial well-being. These are the best houseplants for good Feng Shui. 1. Money tree. As the name suggests, this tree symbolizes good fortune and prosperity. It's a great choice for those looking to attract more money and success. 2. The lucky bamboo is another popular choice for Feng Shui houseplants. This versatile plant can be placed in any direction and offers positive energy and good fortune. 3. The snake plant is another great option for your home. It purifies the air and adds a touch of tranquility to your living space. 4. Lastly, the peace lily is perfect for those with allergies or sensitivities. It removes toxins from the air and adds a touch of elegance to your home decor. These plants to your home can help create a positive environment and boost your well-being. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Until next time, happy gardening!